We're going to break down a clean setup. We can see here that on Sunday we had marked that price would continue down from this area of support. We can see that price did break our level of support here around 4 a.m. on Monday and then retested this area right at 10 a.m., which is right during our trading window. So some of you may have caught that, which is great. We can see there's a 3-bar reversal right here on the 1-hour time frame. Here's our first bar, which occurred at 9 a.m. The second occurred at 10, and the third bar, which is engulfing, occurred at 11. So we could have taken this trade after this candle closed with our stop loss above the high and our take profit down to this next area of support, which we had marked earlier. And then we found that overnight price continued upward and came up into this area of imbalance and continued downward. So we drew a trend line with 3 touches here, there's one here, and an area up here. And then we noticed that price retested this area and we were able to take this down today.
And the largest move, or the biggest move on the charts that happened after waiting for a 3-bar reversal on our 15-minute time frame happened later in the evening. So we're going to use our practice account for this one since it's not during our regular trading hours. Okay, we're going to use a tool to mark the path of the price action, and then we're going to be sure to take a screenshot so that we can put this in our journal for studying later. All right, and then we're going to get ready to move our stop loss into profit. It's important to always move your stop loss into profit or at least break even, so that we can mitigate some risk. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and take some of the units off of this trade so that we can secure some profit.
So if you have any questions that you'd like to ask about trading, about EURUSD, be sure to leave a comment below, or you can ask a question in our newsletter, and I'll be happy to set up a video about it. You could also book a one-on-one call, and if you'd like to support our channel, that would be great. We have a tip jar at ConvertKit. You could also benefit from using the ChatGPT trading style finder. But liking and subscribing is certainly a wonderful way as well.